Cody's keeping the ribs distracted while Savannah had her way with Jaybird on the outside and comes and kicks to the ribs there.
Come on. We got kids out here. They shouldn't be dressed like that. Make sure.
Hey, Cody, leave the ref rule. Get back to your match here, man. Come on.
Make sure. Okay, so here you come with that belt. I do not want that belt being used as a weapon.
Savannah's still having her way with Jaybird on the outside. Cody's keeping the ref distracted.
That's right. Hey, count. 1, 2.
This ballet gonna go and check on the Jaybird. Jaybird all the way back to the ring. Immediately Cody Allen will go over and start attacking those Jaybird. Now I need to give him time to get back in the ring. How to flip off the ropes. Oh, nice hip toss there by Cody Allen. Cody Allen choking Jaybird out over here in the corner once again. Savannah distracting the ref. Cody's choking Jaybird out over here in the corner. Cody's going to help him out in the corner there, a little pull on the legs. Oh, we're going to drop that big leg across that chest there. Jaybird will go for the pin, but Jaybird ball enough to grab that rope.
Look at her. Look at her.
Cody got Jaybird right across that bottom rope, using that rope there to choke him out. Oh, just laying that big leg right across the back of the head and driving that throat of that second rope. Jaybird goes down for the pin. Cody only getting a 2 count. Cody got him up, shoots him off, cross, a big clothesline. Cody got him up, shoots him off over to the corner. Cody's coming in, oh, with a big body splash by Cody Allen. Jaybird's out on his feet down on the mat. Cody Allen will go on the outside and flirt with Jaybird's valet here on the outside. I don't think he's following Jaybird's valet around. He's trying to flirt with it or looks like. Oh, no! Jaybird's hiding around the corner. Going to attack Jaybird and comes around. Just driving that head right to the open of the ring. Jaybird don't like it, Cody messing with his lady on the outside. Jaybird back in the ring, going out for the pin. And about 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining in this matchup. And what a big drop, standing drop kick there by Jaybird. Drop them legs, right down in between the legs there of Cody Allen. Cody Allen run over there, grabbing a hold of the ref. Both men up to their feet. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining in this matchup. Cody Allen goes up there, goes to balls right off the back of Jaybird. Like Cody Allen's going to go to the outside. He'll climb the turnbuckle, come up